Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the new approval feature in Google Docs. So if you have a Google Doc open and you click on File, about halfway down you'll see Approvals. By the time you see this, maybe that little blue pill that says New will be gone. It's relatively new now, so it's still there, so I'm going to click on that. And when I do that, a window opens up on the right side of my screen, Request Approval. And basically what this will do is it will do exactly what it says. It's a literal request for someone else's approval on some part or the entirety of your Google Docs. So if I click on Make a Request, Add Approvers, maybe it's Mr. Oni. Hey, just wondering if my wording in paragraph 17 is within the bounds of board policy, or something ridiculous like that. You can allow the people who you are requesting approval from to edit the file. So maybe they don't like it and they change it to something that is more appropriate. You can lock the file before sending the approval request, which means they cannot edit it as they try to approve it. And you can give it a due date. So let's say I need this done by Monday at 6 p.m. All right, so this will be open for Mr. Oni's approval until Monday at 6 p.m. Maybe I want him to, because if he wants to edit it, why not make him do the work, or at least give him the opportunity to do that work for me. And then when you're ready to send the approval request, just click on Send Request. And you can request approval for your wording and documents from your higher-ups, just to, make sure you cover your own backside before you send things out. Just a little safety feature there, I guess. And that is how you can request approval for the contents of your documents.